The KAMLAM 24-inch bladeless ceiling fan combines elegance with safety, making it ideal for loft beds and low ceilings. With both remote and app control, this fan offers convenient adjustments for light dimming, fan speed, and timer settings. Featuring 3 dimmable LED light modes, the fan remembers your preferred settings for effortless use each time. The fan provides 6 adjustable wind speeds, catering to different activities like sleeping, working, and exercising. Equipped with a reversible silent DC motor, it effectively circulates air for cooling in summer and warmth in winter. Installation is straightforward, and the fan's removable wind deflector makes cleaning hassle-free.